Oh God, we're playing whole field today.
Well. I have a few spare .25
to run up hills.
That's a good idea, I guess, but...
This place, I always wear cleats when I play Airsoft.
Start your Dragonov.
Hey John,
Dragonov?
John, you should unblock me now.
Then.
Thank
No,
God I
you're
had
just
that
gonna
mask
poke
on, because that would have
dick
hurt like,
No, I won't.
so bad. Put
Put an auto and rush. I'll just make another account again.
Hey, they haven't gotten picked yet, guys.
One kill, one death.
Whose turn is it to pick?
Review.
I think it's
They
a...
haven't gotten picked yet.
Normal size.
Yeah, those are our best players, so, yeah.
He's blocked it, son.
Iron sights are as good as any. They're not moving.
Simeon's still out there. Watch it.
Bogey in one!
Did you? Did you kill him? All right, let's sing on that freedom dance.
Get behind that cover.
I got an out.
Alright, you go first, because you have a CQB weapon. Here, don't move.
Okay, he dropped a magazine.
My magazine, if I may add.
Here, I'll just put it in my dump pouch for him.
He's out. You got it.
Hey, I was just gonna put it in my dump pouch.
Hey, you almost lost my mag. Connor, you can melee him.
I already did. Straight up, go.
Oh!
Move up, move up. Slowly, one person go to that hill. Draw back for them. Move up, go. I've got you covered, go. Move up.
Alright, cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me! Cover me! Get down!
Hey, we're being shot at.
How did I get there? You straight? It was worth it, like if there had been no one there.
Over here.
Hey,
Good smoke.
Shit. Oh shit.
fucking see with these damn glasses.
Where's Dakota? Get your ass up here.
You out?
No.
Cover me.
There's no one over here. They're all ran away. What now?
I think you need to wind it.
What?
When you hear that noise, wind it.
Who's over there? Who's over there?
Go, go, go.
That's Sam. Okay.
That's Sam. Move up. Falling back to the Rams.
Shouldn't have sped out.
What do you say?
Steal my mag, why don't you?
Stop shooting! We are just the baddest peacock! Somebody's gun! Go! John!
Right flank. I'm going right flank.
There he is.
The whole woodline's on fire, dude. Where is he?
I don't know. Does he have a pump shotgun?
No. Well, that's Daniel. He might.
Oh, what does he have?
Pump shotgun.
Let's go charge him.
Do it.
Just eating, right?
I'm not telling you.
I swear to God, I just hit him in the face.
Beaten, call your fucking hit. Sweet, I killed that kid. Who's that kid?
Matt. You got Keaton Lucky's right there.
I don't see him. Where they at?
Ding, 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 ding. That's the game.
No, baby.
That is perfect.
Drilled on the nose.
Cool blood, no baby.
Man, when we're doing this stuff, so. Alright! You guys, we're going for that hill.
Careful of the M24.
Wait, do we keep him?
Yeah. Ready! Set! Go! Go, 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 go!
They're gonna come rushing from out there and they're just gonna come here and rape your ass.
Go, 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 go! Keep it down.
Go, go, go. Go. You're 20 feet up and stop. 20 feet up and stop. Go.
Okay. That one.
Where is he?
Good.
Got one in the bush, got one in the bush. Got one moving, got one moving.
Hey, Van. Move up with Dan.
What?
Move up. Move up past.
The hell are you looking at? Fuck, I'm gonna get smoked back here.
Yeah, there's a lot of roaches. They haven't hit me yet. They all know exactly where I am. Ow!
There's the gun. You watch out.
Hey!
Oh!
You're out, dude. I got you.
Ow!
Got him!
Is there anybody left?
Hold on. Reloading.
We still got that sniper over there, dude. John.
He's right there now, I think.
You got my back. Sam, I got your back.
Right.
He's right behind that hill. Mike, move up.
You're on our team, dude!
Let me know that you guys come.